he raked it up pretty good. The bales don't look extravagant, but they're pretty green yet. This field was completely wind damaged. And now he's just slugging through it. But we're gonna get some cow feed either way. That 8100 has over 12,000 hours on it. Probably getting pretty close to 13,000. He's got to slow down for some of these wads. Well, I'm just happy he's baling it. I was pretty devastated yesterday when I saw it was all blown, but it's kind of just what you have to expect. We needed to rake it, it was so wet underneath, but we knew a storm was coming. Sometimes it works out. This time it didn't, but it was a small screw up. These windrows that were 3 feet tall in places.